Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you step by step how to use Jira Service Management in 2025 even if you are a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial you will understand how to set up help desk, manage requests, automate workflows and deliver great service to your customer or team. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to understand what actually is Jira Service Management. First, what exactly is Jira Service Management? It is alt Asian ITSM, like IT Service Management tool that helps team manage customer support, internal IT request and service operation in one place. It is great for IT help desk, HR or facilities request, customer support and any team that handles incoming tickets. You will get a central portal, automation slash and easy tracking, all connected to the Jira ecosystem. So let's create an account and access Jira Service Management. So here you can see we are already in Jira platform. It is on of the platform. There is a couple of apps here you can use one by one. So I will click over here and search for www.altasian. You can note this one, LASSIAN.com, and then /software/Jira/service management. Here you can see this link I will provide in my description. You can check this out. Let's hit enter, and here you can see this is the Jira Service Management. So you just need to click get in free to start the free trial. You just need to click over here, get in free, and then the trial will be start. Then sign in with your Alt Asian account or create a new one. Once you logged in, you will land in your Jira dashboard. Just click to the next. Once I click over here, then I just need to provide all the things. Then here select a service to create. So here we are going to create a service project. So let's create our first service desk. Here I will select IT. Then here we have a couple of things. Just I'm going to skip this one, then it will take a while, like adding Jira Service Management less than a minute remaining, so we just need to be wait a bit. Then once it completely done, then we are going to create our first service project on Jira. So here you can actually see that our Jira process has been done. Now it is in login phase, so we just need to be wait, like we can see the process. So let's do, and now here you can see we are able to start our create our project. So I am going to click project in the top menu and then click create project. So you just need to choose service management as the project type. Pick a template, for example, like here I am going to give the name that will be IT Jira, and then the key is IJ. Select the type. Here you just need to be type. Let's find it out. Here I am going to click on IT. Then here you just need to see that, let's see customer service. Just click this one for customer support. Just click over here and challenge will be open, and then here you can select Jira management template if you feel it need it. So here we have couple of template available, so I'm going to use this template, and then click to the create project and give your project a name like IT help desk or click create. You now have your own project, so it will take some time to complete the project. So once it's done, then here actually you will get the options. So access will be open, and then click to the create Jira, and now here actually you can see it already been done. So now you just need to understand the customer portal. Every service project comes with customer portal. This is where users submit requests. So here you can see our demo project has been created here. So here you have, like, you just need to click onto the channels. Here you just need to play over here and click the get started, and over that place you can see there is a demo things has been come over here. So you just need to click the channel in the sidebar and select Have Center. So here you can see this is the channel, so you just need to find it out, and then you can go for the customer can open tickets, choose request type, then like report an issue or request new equipment and track their own request over that place. Here you can see this is the thing I open, that this is the demo summary and reporter example customer, then assign to someone and waiting for status. You can change the waiting. So let's go to the key, and here actually you can read what customer excuses, like description, organize your customer request into quizzes to help the team and stay focused, and will be done here, and assign to me, then reporter example customer request type IT help, knowledge base no related articles, then priority let's make it high, and level will be demoed. So this way you can understand the customer portal. Now you just need to manage requests. Let's see how you handle incoming tickets. When a customer submits a request, it appears in a queue. Like let's open, and here let's click to the one, and it will be app into this one. There is a couple of labels you have. So here you will have the one that escalated on in progress pending. So you will find out things in pending, then can any request to open it, and just you need to click any request to open it. You will see details, attachment, comment and priority. I already mentioned, so I will remove the pending one, and here actually you can see this is the demo 8. So let's click on them. This one demo 1, what is the request? From here you can assign it to yourself or a teammate, add internal comments, then transaction it to status like to do, in progress or done. This makes it easy to keep track of every ticket. Now I am going to make it automate and add SLS, this one. So to save time, Jira Service Management lets you automate tasks and track SLS. You just need to click to the project setting, back to the project, here just back to the project. This is the project we have. So into the project setting we will get the automations option. Just click over here, and here let's find it out. Back to the project, please get started. So here you can see this is the project we have. So if you want to automate, you just need to click to the project setting. Here you just need to click over here, and then you will find out the automations options. So here let's find it out. Where is the automations? Just click to the apps, notification, request management, access. So here you will get the option for automation, then automatically assign ticket based on keywords, send automatic reprise, then close resolve tickets after a certain time. Under CLS you can set service level agreements like reporting within 2 hours or resolving issue within 24 hours to keep your team on track. Then we're going to talk about report and analytics. Don't forget about the tracking performance. In click reports, here let's dive into our project. So back to the project, here you can see this is the project. So here you just need to click onto the report. So let's find out where is the report options. So here you can see this is the report options, and here you will see previous report like volume of requests, then resolution time, SLS performance, team workload. This helps you find bottlenecks and improve your service quality over time. So now that's it. Now you know how to use Jira Service Management as a beginner in 2025 step by step. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the bell for more helpful guides every week. Got any questions about Jira Service Management? Drop them in the comments. I am always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.